This is a 2002 model of a baler that fits on the BCS or any other small walk-behind tractor from Europe. I want to show you some of the features of it. This lever raises and lowers the pickup. These little wheels are gathering wheels that are an option, and they help bring the hay into the feed. This is the steering lever. It's basically a tiller type steering. And this is the brake for the baler. So if you're on a slope, you want to engage the brake so it doesn't roll on you. On the BCS, this is a forward and reverse lever. This is a model 850 with a 13 horse Honda engine on it. This is your gear shift. I've got 4 gears on here in this configuration. Handle adjust up and down. Over here is your engagement for the PTO. And come on around this side. And you'll notice that the tires I have on here are oversized tires. And I put these tires on here because I also have the rotary plow, and this tire fits in the furrow for the rotary plow and does a much better job of plowing than the standard tire. And I also found that it works great on every other application. This handle is what you grab a hold of when it's done wrapping, and you pull that up and you get the bale out, and we'll show you that in operation after a while. This little knob is adjustable, and this is kind of what they recommend to use to tell you when your bale is firm enough. I go a little bit by this, but I go more by the sound of my engine. I like to load the 13 horse Honda down, and it gets me more hay in the bale. Over here we have 2 levers, and this top lever is actually a manual release if you have to open the baler for any reason. You'll have to have somebody push down on that handle while you pull up on this, and then it'll release. This one is a manual start to wrap handle. There's also a wrap handle on the handle up there, but my cable is broken, so I have to come around and use this one. Come over here and let's zero in, or come down close. There's an automatic oiler. This holds the oil. Every time it wraps a bale, it gives a shot of oil to the chains that are running everything. This is your wrap. It goes in here, comes down across here, and feeds down under here. And this is the cutter for the wrap. Over here. like this. You can cut bale like this for a whole row. Work like this. Send it downhill. These bales are wrapped with a net wrap, and what you do is you find the end of that net wrap and you start pulling on it, and that's the way the bale unrolls. So you roll it until you're at the end of that, and set that aside. And then we're going to roll this down. I have beets over here, and we're going to roll it down on this side of the beets. And this is the way she goes. That takes care of the weeds on that side.